Turning to your forecast, another cold day for the Carolinas, but some relief is on the way, right, Brad?
Yeah, we just got to get through tonight. We've got another cold night tonight. What you need to know as we go into tonight and tomorrow, a cold night tonight, clear and cold, almost as cold as the last couple of nights, pretty much a carbon copy. Tomorrow, though, going to be a little warmer. Temperatures maybe low to mid 50s. This weekend, though, 60s. And don't look too far in the future. We might actually see a 70-degree day coming up next week. Temperatures out there now, it's cold. The sun is down. It is still frigid. We've got a cold, dry air mass sitting over us. And in some cases, with the high pressure parked right overhead, we actually could see a colder night in some locations than we've seen the last couple of nights. There are some clouds and snow showers moving across the Midwest that we've got to keep an eye on. Also some moisture down in the Gulf of Mexico. You see the contrast in temperatures. Huge warm up here across the south. But there's the heart of the cold air. I know this is still frigid. It's below zero, but this is better. Single digits to single digits below. Much better than the 20, 30, 40. And can you believe 50 degrees below zero? Here are the all-time lows, at least set during this Arctic outbreak by state. 56 degrees below zero up in Cotton, Minnesota. 51 in Wisconsin, 39 in Iowa, 35 in parts of Illinois. That might be a state record. They're trying to confirm that. That could be the coldest temperature ever recorded in the state of Illinois. 24 in Indiana, 29 in Michigan, and minus 20 in Ohio. That is the coldest air mass they have seen in those states since the mid-1980s, 1985. For us tonight, it's going to be a cold one. The little bit of heat we got today, which wasn't a lot, is going to radiate back up. High pressure overhead, no clouds to trap it, no wind to mix the air up. So the cold, dense air settles down near the ground. We call that radiational cooling. This is the ideal setup tonight for a really cold night. You can see the temperatures in the teens and 20s, almost a carbon copy of the last two nights. So we're going to continue to see some cold temperatures. But tomorrow, we'll turn the corner a little bit. We're actually going to see some milder air try to move into the afternoon because a warm front is going to be to our north, and we're going to get more of a southwesterly flow. So with enough sunshine and that southwest wind, after a cold, frosty start, we'll see temperatures getting close to the 50s tomorrow, and as we get closer to the weekend, even milder air. We're probably talking temperatures in the 60s coming up this weekend. So tomorrow, mid-50s out there, a light southwest wind. Those temperatures are going to climb up into the mid-50s again. Wind chill won't be much of an issue tomorrow, but there it is in the 40s and 50s with plenty of sunshine. Now, if you really want the warm stuff, just wait till next week. We will see that cold air kind of retreat back to the north, and look at the ridge that builds across the south. That's a really warm flow. That's like the anti-polar vortex right there. That's a subtropical ridge building in from the south. But another dip in the jet stream. We're not done with winter yet, so don't put the winter stuff away. We're not going straight to spring. The pattern in February is always kind of crazy. Remember last year we had a warm February, and then we ended up with snow and a colder March. And just to show you, even though we've got a warm spell coming our way for the next several days, as we look in the long range, it's back below average. So it's coming back. The cold air will be here back soon enough. Teens and 20s tonight in the mountains and foothills, mostly clear skies. Here in the Piedmont, we'll drop down into the low and mid 20s, certainly a cold and frosty start. Mid to upper 20s in a few spots to the east. Here's that 7-day forecast. Pretty mild 7-day period, but notice on Wednesday near 70, the cold front should move through either Wednesday night or early Thursday, and then temperatures will start to fall by next weekend. We'll be back with highs in the 40s, and winter makes a return.